sa ating Taste and Space Showcase. And before this event, binigyan natin ang ating guest interior decor ng unique challenges based on real living situations and holiday hosting needs. Kasi syempre, every time na nagpapasko, meron talaga tayong mga challenge, di ba? Kasi all throughout the year, if you are like me, who's really a workaholic, we don't get to really spend as much time as we would want sana sa ating mga tahanan. Pero pagka ganito kaganda ang space natin, don't you just want to feel and go home right away after you work? And let me tell you, you deserve this. Huwag niyong iisipin na parang, ay, hindi ko deserve kasi hindi na uso yan ngayon. Life is short. So with all these challenges, IKEA is helping us out. Dito natin makikita how we can best integrate the IKEA cooking and eating range in various home setups that we are seeing, lalo-lalo na ngayong Kapaskuhan. So whether you are living alone, who among you are living alone? Wow, ang tatapang. With cats. Okay, not technically not alone, pero solo living, basically. Okay, so meron dito na may mga anak who are living with their kids. Yes, that's me. I know. Sarap, no? Sarap din eh. Pero actually, technically, pag may fur babies ka, parang may anak ka na rin yan, diba? We have items for pets as well that are pet-friendly, correct? Okay. At syempre, meron naman yung mga living together, whether may label o wala, living together. Sino may ganon? Wow! Walang meron nagtutulog. Meron. With that acknowledgement comes the challenges, and the challenges will be sorted out today with the help of IKEA, of course. At siguradong may makukuha kayong holiday inspiration for your own space today. At syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan kung ipastamp ang inyong mga kinokollect today na kasi hindi natin makukuha yung ating IKEA gift hindi yan kompleto. You have to make sure na bawat showroom po na pupuntahan ninyo ay makapagpa-stamp kayo. Now we are officially starting our holiday showroom tour. And to share more about this creative inspiration behind these spaces, please welcome our partner interior decorator and content creator, Elle Uy. Elle, hi! Tignan mo naman si Elle, so stylish. Alam no, sa pag ganito ko stylish ang decorator, alam mo na you're in good hands, no? Oo, nagpa-flower ako today. Kasi nga sabi ko, ay, gusto ko mag-bakang blooming. Sinuot ko na yung pa-flower. Yes. Dahil ayokong malunod sa ganda ng space na design mo, Elle. At syempre, joining us with us, of course, our boss from IKEA Philippines, our IKEA Philippines social media manager, Miss Kit Agoncillo. Miss Kit!
Hello, everyone!
Hello! Kung tingnan mo, iba naman.
Pero hindi po ako boss.
Alam mo naman dito. Kit, Elle, as you can see, these are three women with three different personalities. And do you agree that even for spaces, nag-iiba-iba yun?
Yes, I believe like if you have your own space, especially if you're living alone, it's a really good opportunity for you to really show your personality and kind of express yourself in the design.
And you know what, Kit, I've noticed that some people, because they share it online, napansin ko na minsan the way they look outside of their spaces is actually a complete contrast of how they are at home. Meron na parang sobrang colorful nila kapag nasa labas sila, tapos at home very aesthetic and white and rough. So it's really up to you how you want to decorate your space. Now, may I just say, sobrang excited ko para sa ating holiday fight setups. And syempre, hello to Elle and Kit again. Kailangan na natin explore to. Elle?
Yes.
Eto, anong mga nandito natin? I-rundown natin sa kanila kung ano yung mga nakikita natin sa iyong space.
Okay. So para to sa graphic designer, 27 years old, yun yung nakatira dito, basically.
Okay. May palitan na gagan.
Okay? So malakas.
Okay. So Elle, this is, kumbaga you imagine this for a graphic designer.
Si Kurt.
Si Kurt, okay.
Sa kanya tong space na to.
Okay. So mag-isa lang siyang nakatira. Okay, kasi ang challenge natin talaga, si Kurt is a 27-year-old graphic designer living solo in the city.
Yes.
So hindi ito parang vacation home, hindi ito ano.
So very small space to, small space living.
Okay. Miss Kit, you know how big this space is. Is this a 15 square meter? Ilang square meters ba to? Roughly, no? Parang a condo eh. Parang ganyan, no? 15.
Studio, one bed.
Oo, no? Kasi dito,
Everything in it.
what I love about IKEA is you can actually ask our specialists and say, okay, pag ganito ba yung space ko, ano yung mga kakasya? Correct? Okay, again, etong si Kurt, wow, imaginary natin si Kurt, na graphic designer siya. He loves to host intimate parties.
Yes, meron siyang party with his 4 friends.
Okay.
yun.
So, apat yung kaibigan.
Yes.
Apat lang yung kaibigan ni Kurt. Oo, introvert si Kurt. Pero graphic designer siya. Bakit naman? Pwede naman talaga yun. Okay. So, dito, what are we seeing, Elle?
Okay, so basically, ito original na to sa kanya, green and red. So parang ako, i-push na natin yung color. Kasi graphic
Yeah.
designer siya.
Yeah.
So feeling ko, hindi siya takot sa color, hindi
Okay.
siya takot sa pattern. So yun yung ginawa natin. And ang ginamit natin is itong folding table. And so,
Are we able to show that this is a folding table? Kaya ba natin?
Sige, we can try.
We can try? Sige, tingnan natin. Kasi,
Demo kami.
oo, mag-demo tayo because para napapakita natin how easy it is really. Oo. At saka ang ganda ng folding table. You don't see it like this anymore kasi it's so quaint.
Yes.
Oo. Okay. Hindi pala natin kaya kasi nga ano tayo, kailangan natin ng tulong. Pero this is a folding table. So basically, si Kurt, pag meron siyang parties, pwedeng wala ito, pwedeng ilagay.
Yeah, so I think what's good about this setup that si Elle made, kasi for example, si Kurt lang yon at home. Siyempre solo living, so he only needs this part of the table.
Yeah, ito lang.
We tucked away sa side. It's called the Sunso outer table. So there are other colors actually. So we have red, really bright colors, red, yellow, orange, green, blue. Of this foldable table. It can be outdoor also. So yun, he can just tuck it away pag wala yung core friends niya.
Yeah. This is also foldable, no? This one.
This one, it can be kept also.
Naangat yan. Ang ganda. Parang nakaganyan.
Para siyang
I think I have this at home. Pwede rin kasi ito pang pottery, di ba? Na parang all the tools that you have. So basically, this particular foldable na cupboard or cabinet can be used many ways.
Yes.
Oh, okay. What are the other things that we have here, Elle?
So, another bunch of color is itong rug natin. So very colorful, very Christmas and
Yeah.
festive. And of course, our throw pillows.
Yes.
So pasok siya sa color and theme nitong ano niya ngayon, itong kanyang celebration.
Kaya pagka ganito, kasi you're into social media, do you think it's very important that even through the items that we get from IKEA will really speak of your personality, not just through color but aesthetic as well? Na parang namamatch-match nyo na dito sa IKEA, tapos kita mo na kagad, ganito pala itsura nito.
Yes, actually, madaming style expressions as we call it here. So you really would find yung match sa personality.
I'm curious, in your social media platforms for IKEA, what's the most liked of all?
Most like of all,
Na aesthetic. Is it the colorful? Is it the punchy ones?
right now, it's really the quirky ones, like the ones with the interesting shapes,
Yes.
interesting colors. So, di ba usually, for many years, mahilig tayo to the minimalist colors lang, like white,
Yeah.
beige, everything. But right now, when we post mga quirky, unique shapes, colors, ayun, yun yung mga nagiging ng engagement ngayon.
Right.
Aside from the videos that features our coworkers. So
And
our
sometimes,
coworkers are
very sila, oo. At saka, I think what's nice about this is that, pag yung vase mo or yung vase mong ganito, sometimes wala ka pang budget for the rest of the things and you want to be inspired, you actually just get one item and it starts from there.
Exactly.
Diba? Elle, I know that you went to the Democratic Design event in Sweden.
Yes.
Tell us more about that.
Ay, ang saya.
Oo. At saka, naisip ko pala na pupunta ka ng Sweden, nasayahan na ako. Oo.
First time ko sa Europe, yun talaga eh.
So how was it?
I love it. Nag-tour tayo ng IKEA Museum. And then, pinakita talaga nila how they conceptualize the product. Like very interesting talaga. The designer, nag-explain sila, like, a super lovely experience.
And did you immediately adapt that here?
Marami akong una inspiring lahat ng nakita natin na space.
Yeah.
And then, marami silang mga tinurong mga ano nila, like the core values ng IKEA, which is
Sige, kayo.
Form.
These are
Form.
the Democratic design principles. So
Yes.
there's 5.
Okay.
form,
Form.
function,
Function.
sustainability,
Sustainability.
quality,
Quality.
and low price.
Form, function, sustainability, quality, and
low
price.
Yes.
At lahat yun, check dito sa IKEA.
Yes, ideally, all our products should have have all the 5 democratic design principles. So, ayun. Pero some products, syempre, we want to, like, so for example, this chair is focused on sustainability. So more, maybe 80% of it is towards the sustainability angle. Pero lahat yun, ano yun, check yun. Low price, form, function, quality. Did I miss anything? Sustainability.
Galing! Memorized! And because we've already really delved into the items over here, and I really wanna try, sorry, kasi tinatawag ako. Yes, okay, mamaya na tayo mag-usap. Joke. Okay, alin dito sa mga items meron in this particular space yung ma-recommend nyo for solo living? Kasi yun yung theme natin.
Well, for me, actually, ito, karamihan dito is multifunctional. Ito nga is nag-fold. This one is stackable.
Ooh,
so, if
okay.
you need, wala siyang bisita, pwede siyang side table.
It's space saving.
Space saving. Ayan.
Pakita natin.
Ito, madedemo na.
Ganda.
Tsaka maganda.
It actually looks like a piece of art.
Yes. Lagay mo lang sa corner. Okay na.
Okay.
And then that one is like sofa bed.
Yeah, it's a sleeper sofa.
Sleeper sofa.
So really, as in actually this whole space here is really made for small space living kasi multifunctional plus parang, ayan, so sleeper sofa if you don't have friends over or ano, it serves as a sofa.
And I think what I love about what you've done here, Elle and Kit, is that you have proven na ang small space, doesn't necessarily have to be boring. You can put different quirky things together from IKEA and make it your own expression of yourself. That way, kapag meron kang bisita, kilala ka na nila kagad, wala ka pang sinasabi.
Yes, true.
Amazing. Even the artwork are all from IKEA, correct?
Wrapping paper.
What?
So, DIY print lang.
Okay, so you did this, Elle?
Yes, Kurt.
Si Kurt. Nga pala. Oh, yung imaginary friend mo. Kurt, kamusta ka dyan? Nakikita niyo ba si Kurt? Oh, wala akong nakikita. Pag nakita niyo si Kurt, balitaan niyo ako. Okay, maraming salamat, Elle and Kit. Maraming salamat for being here. At mag-photo op tayo. Halika, dito tayo. Pwede mo po.